Your car's acting up again. Maybe the transmission jerks when you shift, or that check engine light just won't go away. You're bracing yourself for a massive repair bill. But here's something most mechanics won't mention. Many of these issues aren't mechanical failures at all. They're computer glitches that can be wiped clean in minutes, completely free. Modern vehicles rely on dozens of computer modules that learn and adapt over time. Sometimes that learning gets corrupted, creating problems that feel like major breakdowns but are really just software hiccups. The fixes are surprisingly simple, and they can save you serious money. Starting with the full system. The battery disconnect method is like hitting the ultimate reset button on your entire car. Pop your hood, locate the negative battery terminal, disconnect it, and wait 15 minutes. Then reconnect, and you're done. This single action wipes clean every major computer system in your vehicle. The engine control unit forgets its glitches. The transmission module starts fresh. The body control module gets a clean slate. Everything relearns your driving habits from scratch, which means you might notice slightly different behavior for the first 30 or 40 miles. The car needs time to adapt to how you drive. This approach works wonders for rough idling, random stalling, mysterious dashboard lights, and weird shifting behavior. Best of all, it works on practically anything built after 1996 and requires zero tools beyond your hands and a bit of patience. Fixing rough. Idle without the weight. Sometimes you need something more targeted. The throttle body in modern cars uses a position sensor that learns how you drive. When that learning data gets corrupted, your idle becomes rough and throttle response suffers. The fix takes about 60 seconds. Turn your key to the on position without actually starting the engine. Push the gas pedal all the way to the floor and hold it there for 10 seconds. Release it, turn the key off, and wait another 10 seconds. Now start your car and let it idle for 5 minutes without touching anything. This forces your throttle control system to dump its old learned values and figure out the correct idle speed fresh. Mechanics regularly charge over $100 for this procedure that you just completed in a minute. The surgical reset that keeps your settings. Here's a neat trick for resetting your engine control unit without losing your radio stations or clock. Turn the key to on, then press the gas pedal 3 times within 10 seconds. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, and start normally. The exact sequence varies slightly between manufacturers, but the concept works across most brands. This approach clears fuel trim adjustments and idle speed memory without touching your battery, which means all your convenience settings stay intact. It's particularly useful after you've cleaned your throttle body or replaced an air filter. Transmission problems that aren't really transmission problems. Transmission repairs rank among the most expensive fixes you can face. Dealers love throwing around 4-digit estimates for rebuilds. But transmission control modules learn your driving style, and sometimes that learning creates harsh shifting or slipping that feels like mechanical failure. With your engine running in park, turn the key off and on 5 times within 10 seconds. Then shift slowly through all your gears twice. This dumps the adaptive values and forces the system to relearn optimal shift points. You'll feel firmer shifts initially as the transmission figures out your patterns again, but everything smooths out after 20 to 30 miles of normal driving. This simple procedure works on most automatic transmissions from the past couple decades and can eliminate problems that would otherwise cost thousands. Making dashboard lights disappear. That check engine light loves to terrorize drivers into expensive diagnostic appointments. You've got 3 methods to clear it yourself. First option, disconnect your battery for 15 minutes. Second option, turn the key to on, press both the brake and gas pedals simultaneously for 20 seconds. Release both, turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, and start normally. Third option, cycle your key from off to on 3 times, ending in the on position, then start the car. These methods force your onboard diagnostics system to clear stored fault codes. If you've got an actual ongoing problem, the light comes back within a few drive cycles. But these resets help you determine whether you're dealing with an intermittent annoyance or something that genuinely needs repair. Windows that have lost their mind power. Windows use position sensors that gradually lose their calibration, causing all sorts of strange behavior. Windows stick halfway, move erratically, or reverse direction for no apparent reason. The fix teaches your window control module the full range of motion. Hold the window switch up for 10 seconds after the window reaches the top. Then hold it down for 10 seconds after it hits the bottom. Repeat this for each window individually. This calibration works on most cars with automatic up and down features built after 2000. Dealers charge $100 per window for this 30-second procedure. Climate control that can't make up its mind. Your heating and air conditioning system uses multiple sensors and actuators managed by a dedicated computer module. When it glitches, you get no heat in winter, no AC in summer, or air blowing from the wrong vents at odd temperatures. Turn your climate system completely off. Find the HVAC fuse in your fuse box and pull it out for 10 minutes. Reinstall it, start your car, turn on the climate control, and let it cycle through all temperature settings and vent positions for 5 minutes without touching anything. This forces the control module to relearn actuator positions and recalibrate temperature sensors. It often fixes problems that dealers claim need expensive part replacements. The safety system that needs rebooting. Your anti-lock braking system can develop false fault codes that trigger warning lights and disable the anti-lock function right when you need it most. Losing anti-lock capability dramatically increases your stopping distance on wet or slippery roads. Turn your key to on without starting. Press and release the brake pedal 3 times firmly. Turn the key off, wait 10 seconds, and start your car. Some vehicles need you to drive at 25 miles per hour for a minute to complete sensor calibration. This procedure forces the ABS control module to clear fault codes and recalibrate wheel speed sensors, restoring anti-lock function without expensive sensor replacement. Electric power steering that forgot how to help. Electric power steering systems replace old hydraulic pumps with electric motors controlled by a computer module. When the system loses calibration, you get heavy steering, wandering, or complete power assist failure. With your engine running, turn the steering wheel fully left and hold for 5 seconds. Turn it fully right and hold for 5 seconds. Return to center and hold for 5 seconds. Turn the engine off, wait 10 seconds, and restart. This allows the control module to relearn the steering wheel center position and full range of motion. It eliminates heavy steering at low speeds and fixes steering wheels that won't return to center after turns. The modern car's internet connection. Modern vehicles have built-in cellular modems and Wi-Fi systems that can lose connection or stop communicating with smartphone apps. These connectivity problems prevent remote start, vehicle tracking, and software updates that you're probably paying monthly fees to access. Access your infotainment system settings menu and select Factory Reset for network settings only, which keeps your other preferences intact. Some vehicles need specific button combinations or require removing the telematics fuse for 15 minutes. This forces the connectivity module to re-establish cellular registration and Wi-Fi protocols, restoring all your connected car features without expensive dealer reprogramming. These computer resets can save you thousands in unnecessary repairs and diagnostic fees. Start with the battery disconnect for mysterious problems, then move to more targeted resets based on your specific symptoms. Modern cars are essentially computers on wheels, and sometimes those computers just need a good restart to get back to working properly.